Shelley and Shevchenko are both romantic poets. They both wrote about skylarks, but what makes them two different? I would like to show you a visual that sort of summarizes how I think and visualize the two poems as a whole.
In the image, a brain is depicted as flowers growing from it, symbolizing the imaginative and creative ideas that originate from our minds. The right side of the image includes abstract concepts such as music, nature, spirituality, and freedom, which exist within people's thoughts and perceptions. These ideas are beautifully portrayed in the poems To a Skylark by Shelley and A Dream by Shevchenko, which both feature the skylark as a central theme. The background of the image shows a sunny forest with a flying skylark, emphasizing its significance in the overall composition.
Teacher, sprite or bird, what sweet thoughts are thine? I have never had praise of love or wine that panted forth a flute of rapture so divine. Chorus chimerial or triumphal chant, matched with thine would be all, but an empty want, a thing wherein we feel there is some hidden want. Летим, дивлюсь, аж світає, край неба палає, соловейко в темнім гаї сонце зустрічає. Тихесенько вітер віє, степи, лани мріють, між ярами над ставами верби зеленіють.
Both Shelley and Shevchenko used the skylark as a symbol of freedom and beauty, but in different ways. Shelley's poem celebrates the skylark's beauty and freedom, comparing it to a rose and a glowworm. On the other hand, Shevchenko's poem uses the skylark as a symbol of hope and freedom, but with the protagonist dreaming of being taken away by the bird to experience the beauty of nature and its freedom in order to escape from his unhappy life.
Shelley's To a Skylark and Shevchenko's A Dream are two poems with the portrait of a skylark. Nature and a skylark are unifying points in both poems. The difference between them is in terms of tone. Shelley's poem is celebratory and optimistic, while Shevchenko's is quite somber and melancholic, with a dreamlike fluidity. Another difference between the two poems is in their structure. Shelley's To a Skylark is written in regular stanzas, with a rhythm scheme, while A Dream is written in a free verse. This difference in structure naturally reflects the emotional tones. While the two poems differ in tone and structure, they share common themes. Both explore the natural world and its ability to evoke powerful emotions. They depict the power of the natural world to inspire and transform the human spirit. It's worth mentioning that both To a Skylark by Shelley and A Dream by Shevchenko were written during the Romantic period, which was a literary movement that emphasizes the power of emotions and the beauty of the natural world.
Shapes play a crucial role in how we perceive and interpret the world. Our eyes and brain work together to understand the shapes, sizes, and the colors of objects. Convergence and divergence help us make sense of how objects move and interact. Collisions and boundaries help us distinguish between different objects and their relationships. By designing our thoughts into shapes, we can better visualize and remember our ideas, allowing them to remain in our imagination forever.
The picture is composed of two distinct color palettes, warm and cool. The warm colors represent Shevchenko's poem, while the cool, lighter tones are used for Shelley's. Some forms in the image are inscribed with words, personifying the theme of the corresponding poem. Shelley's highly romantic poem is represented by smooth, airy forms and lines, while Shevchenko's more passionate work is depicted through sharper, more dynamic shapes and colors. The gradient in the image emphasizes the diversity and variation of this theme. The undefined shape with inscription philosophical context serves to unite the poems of two different orders from different social backgrounds. There are also heavens in the reflection of Shelley and Shevchenko. The whole image captures the essence of two poems and serves to highlight the beauty of nature and the power of artistic expression.
Stay art-inspired. My name is Sofia. I am from Western Ukraine. I am interested in interdisciplinary studies because I find myself interested in a lot of disciplines, and interdisciplinary studies are the best founding, I guess, because they unite all the disciplines I know about and want to research on, so I can research more on every of those disciplines and make something great.